In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to YouTube TV. I'm inside tv.youtube.com, and there's a few ways to watch live football. So the first way is to do a search. Click on the search button here, and then where it says search drama shows, type in football, and then click enter. And if we scroll down, we can see what's live right now. So we've got 4 games that are live, and then we can see some scheduled games. If we keep scrolling across, we can see what's going to be live down the track. And if we want to watch any one of these live football games, just simply click onto it. And then you can see we're watching live football here. Go back. All right, another way to do this is to head back to YouTube TV's homepage. And now on the top of the page here, we've got library, home, and live. Go ahead and click on live. And now from here, you'll see all the live channels. So if we scroll down, you'll be able to watch any live football games. So we've got this upcoming Manchester United versus Southampton on this channel here, Sports 4K. Keep scrolling down and just have a look for any more live football games. And yeah, that's it. A few different ways how to watch live football on YouTube TV.